Traditionally, I've never been a fan of smartwatches. Today, you guys are gonna meet the smartwatch that kinda changed that. Kinda. Hey guys, Ash here from C4E Tech, and if you do end up enjoying my review of the OPPO watch, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Let's now get started. Even though I've never been a fan of smartwatches in particular, I've always worn a Fitbit. So it's not like I'm not used to keeping something on my wrist for extended periods of time. To be fair, at around 40-ish grams, the OPPO watch is quite a bit heavier than most fitness trackers. But the strap is really comfortable and I didn't feel like it was weighing me down in any way. Now, I used it with the included silicone strap and it felt nice, and these are removable straps, but it isn't the typical pin system that we find on most watches. So the only way of getting different bands is from OPPO itself. It is proprietary. Now, I have the larger 46mm variant here. It comes with a bigger curved display and better water resistance up to 5 atmospheres, but OPPO also offers a smaller variant of the same watch. It's cheaper but comes with a smaller flat panel and up to 3 atmospheres of water resistance. And since we are talking about variants, they come in stainless steel as well as aluminum. Okay, so what is it that I actually liked about this? What's so special about the OPPO watch? Well, there were a bunch of factors, but what impressed me the most, it's gotta be this big, beautiful AMOLED panel right up top. At 1.91 inches diagonal, it's pretty big by smartwatch standards, and I think the large screen here really helped. I was using it more often, be it for checking messages that I've received or for a quick Google search. Oh yeah, Google Assistant is on board here, and thanks to the onboard speaker, we can hear out loud our results. Neat, right? Well, we can use the speaker for a lot more than just that. With an eSIM, the OPPO watch can actually function pretty well as a standalone device. We can make and receive phone calls with it. It's a bit cumbersome, yes, but workable. Now, even the strap itself, initially I didn't really like it. I felt it was not quite secure, but the more I used it, the more I kind of got used to it. I ended up liking it a lot. And the same goes for my experience with this. There's 8 gigs of memory for the apps, the music and stuff. The processor, the Snapdragon Wear 3100 on the international variant. The Chinese variant, it has Snapdragon Wear 2500, but the Indian one comes with 3100. And again, in India, we get Android Wear. OPPO's own ColorOS is what the Chinese variant gets, in case you guys are interested. Now, since this is Android Wear on the Indian variant, we get access to all of Google's Play services and of course the vast array of Wear OS compatible apps from the Play Store. What surprised me here is how smooth the entire experience felt. Swiping in from the edges of this curved display, it felt natural. The animations, they were always snappy. Honestly, this is the best Wear OS has ever felt for me. And I'm really surprised that OPPO have been able to achieve this on their watch here. Maybe it's the 1 gig of RAM, maybe it's OPPO's software optimizations. Whatever it is, they've nailed the software experience. Now, some of you may be wondering, wait, is this software optimization? Isn't Wear OS supposed to be the same across all devices? Not anymore. OPPO has actually put their own custom spin on Wear OS, and I have to say, I like it a lot. We have the app drawer that can be launched by clicking on the side button. We also have these tiles. We can customize each tile based on our agenda for the day, like the weather, stuff like that. But the core system here is still Wear OS, which means we have our favorites like swipe right for Google Assistant and down for quick settings. That's all present and accounted for. Overall, I think the software experience here is what has won me over, because honestly the design, well, I guess it's time to address the elephant in the room. It's not the most original of designs, let's leave it at that. Now, from the shape to the way the band's attached to even some of the wallpapers, but you know, I don't really mind that. We've seen other watches that haven't been too original too in the past. But here, OPPO, at least, they have some original ideas. For example, they've removed the crown, and I really love the soft touch finish of this AMOLED display. The curved edges are just awesome to swipe on. The display is very crisp. The pixel density is 326 pixels per inch, what Apple likes to call Retina. Now usually we hold phones closer than we hold watches, so this looks very, very sharp. Even under bright sunlight with a peak brightness of about 1000 nits, it is very easy to look at. We get the regular features here, checking messages, notifications, quick replies to said notifications, all straight from the watch. Mobile payments can even be authorized from here. Of course, there's music control and heart rate tracking, talking about which the regular host of fitness functions are also present. You've got your step and exercise tracking and so on. Personally, I found notifications and the timer very useful. I use Pomodoro from time to time to write my scripts and stay on schedule with my day-to-day stuff. And the timer really came in handy. And of course, find my phone. That's something everyone finds helpful. So there are quite a few things that we can do with the OPPO watch. And I don't see the point of delving into detail with the software functionality because, hey, we've seen all this before with various other Wear OS-based devices. What OPPO has done a little different here is their own software functionality. For example, you can take a picture with your outfit and OPPO's Watch AI will use its imaging algorithm to generate its own watch face to match it. So we also have a special memories wallpaper that lets us select and set various photos as a wallpaper for the watch. There are some fun hidden Easter eggs in these wallpapers as well. Like we can tap on these balloons to burst it. Just a nice bit of interactivity that helps give some flair to the OPPO watch. Talking about OPPO claims this watch lasts up to 21 days. That's on the power save mode with most of the functionality turned off. OPPO says this is driven by a special low power AMBIC Apollo 3 chip, so it can still do the basic stuff like display time, route tracking, heart rate, notifications and all that. However, in the regular smart mode, it's supposed to last 36 hours. With regular usage, you're gonna have to charge it every night. Now the good news is that it charges quickly. 15 minutes will get you to about 50% and 0 to 100 takes about an hour and 15. So even if you do forget to charge it, dropping it on its cradle as you get ready for work in the morning, it will get you enough charge to last you till the evening. Now, I did not really test out sleep tracking because I don't do that with any watch or fitness trackers because one, it's usually very inaccurate. Two, my wrist goes for a toss even if I sleep with a watch or a tracker for just a single night. It's very uncomfortable for me. So anyway, enough with the features, enough with the watch. Let's now talk pricing. The 41mm OPPO watch is priced at $14,990. The 46mm variant, the one you've seen all throughout this video, it's priced at $19,990. Now, has the OPPO watch changed my perspective on smartwatches? Made me feel that they are mandatory and you need to own one now? Not really. I still feel smartwatches are pretty much a luxury item and they are optional. But that said, if you do want a smartwatch and you're looking for an excellent Wear OS experience, something smooth, something that feels premium in hand with possibly the crispiest and best looking display, then the OPPO watch is one I can recommend. I really did enjoy my time with it. And that is my take on the OPPO watch. So now you guys tell me what you think about it in the comments below. And with that, we get to the end of this review. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about it. Subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. And thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.